When someone says a system must support millions of users, is scalability automatically an architectural characteristic? Or what if a stakeholder says users should be able to track their application status? Does that lead to a performance, reliability, any of the architectural characteristics? Or uh, the statement is not deriving any architectural characteristics? What exactly each business requirement is telling? In this session, we will understand how to identify architectural characteristics from real business requirements. Let us assume we are building a one meal food ordering system, a platform that provides healthy meals to everyone. Now, let us understand the business requirement. I have the business requirement noted here. Let us look at the example. Okay. So, what all it is saying? One meal is a platform that provides healthy meals to everyone. Right? A customer can order meals through a mobile application. People who can afford meals pay normally. Right? There is no compulsion to everybody to pay. Those who cannot afford, they can um, have free meals. Those who can afford, they can pay. That is the system. People in need can receive sponsored meals using QR codes. Right? The platform must support multiple kitchens across cities. Meal inventory should be updated in real time. Payments are processed online. Sponsors can donate meals through the applications. User should be able to track meal status. The platform should eventually expand globally. The application should support millions of users, and the application should be available or operate 24 by 7. This is the business requirement. Now, let us understand what each business requirement is saying and is there any architectural characteristic that we can identify from the business requirement. Now, let us look at the first statement. One meal is a platform that provides healthy meals to everyone. Is this statement giving any architectural characteristic? No. It is just saying the functionality of the system, what the system is doing, right? The next is customer can order meals through mobile app, right? Now, when we say it is mobile app, the customer can order through mobile app. This means it is saying the usability of the system, right? How the system is used by customers. So usability is our architectural characteristic, right? Now, people who can afford meals pay normally, right? Um, is it driving any architectural characteristic? No. This is a again functional requirement, right? There is no restriction on payment. Okay. People in need can receive sponsored meals using QR codes. What this is saying, the use of QR codes. That means payment system, which derives to security. So definitely we are having QR codes. So we'll be using payment methods. So it will derive to security. Let us understand the next one. So it says platform must support multiple kitchens across cities. Right? That means there are multiple kitchens coordinating and interacting with each other. So what characteristics it is saying? Interoperability. Also, it is conveying one more architectural characteristic, that is scalability. Now, the cooking system is scaled across city. It is no more restricted to only one place, right? That is scalability. Okay, the next one. Meal inventory should be updated in real time. That means every time there is a new menu or new food item added, that should be updated in real time. So what it is saying, the application should react in real time. That means performance, performance of the system, right? What is next one? Payments are processed online. Again, we are talking about online payments, which derives to security, security, right? Sponsors can donate meals through the application. Is it deriving any characteristic? No. This is just saying the option that sponsors have. They can donate meals, right? Using the application. There is no architectural characteristic that we can derive from here, right? Now, users should be able to track meal status. Once they order, they should be able to track the status of that meal, right? Now, what architectural characteristic we can derive from here? That is performance again. How? Because the user orders the meal in real time, and as soon as he orders or she orders the meal, should get the status. That means the application should be updated in real time. That is again the performance, right? Now, platform should eventually expand globally. So what does this mean? We can um, easily say this is talking about scalability, the global expansion, right? The global expansion. Right? Yeah. Next, the application should support millions of users, right? Again, what it is saying, now maybe there are only 1,000 users um, using the application. Next, it like we can support millions of users, right? Then the system should be able to scale again, right? Scalability, right? Now, the next one is the business should operate 24 by 7. This is a very clear or a very basic architectural characteristics, that is availability. Now, if you see, every statement is not driving a architectural characteristic. The architect should be able to analyze the business requirement carefully and derive architectural characteristics, right? Instead of simply relying on the generic availability, scalability, one should go and analyze the business requirement line by line and understand if this is deriving any architectural characteristic. This is how we identify architectural characteristics from the business requirement. Thank you for your valuable time. In the next sessions, we will continue exploring more software architectural topics. This session is part of software architecture series. There are more concepts covered on all the other topics of software architecture. Please take a look. Thank you.